I got an announcement to make. Marva Megaman Ambino is a bitch-ass motherfucker. She pissed on my wife. That's right.
Hey, paisanos! It's the Super Mario Brothers Super Show!
With the Mario Brothers and plumbing's a game. We're not like the others who get all the fame. If your sink is in trouble, you can call us on the double. We're faster than the others, you'll be hooked on the brothers. Hooked on the brothers. Yo, you're in for a treat, so hang on to your seat. Get ready for adventure and remarkable feats. You'll meet Koopas and Troopers, the princess and the others. Hanging with the plumbers, you'll be hooked on the brothers to the bridge.
No, like the star that Mario just touches. Dude, mute it!
Dude, mute it. Oh my god. Stop, okay.
Time for a new day. But as we always say, neatness counts.
Okay, I found the...
Now, Luigi, I can see you're as clearly as mute as usual.
I found
Yeah, a piece of garbage. I don't even know why I keep you around. You never do any work.
I'm sorry.
Look at my mullet.
I'm sorry, Mario. I'm sorry, Mario.
Shut up, I got a mullet. Stop looking so sad. For God's sake. Well, I'm hearing voices. Did I take my meds? Oh, God.
Hey! Shut the fuck up! I'm trying to
Oh,
teach you over here.
Luigi, tell me you're seeing this too. I did take my meds, right? Okay, I think I took my meds.
Okay, look at this. Alright, I'm gonna need y'all to be quiet.
Where did you
Or
get
I'm
that?
gonna have to
That's
sue
not
you.
my ointment. I need that for my... Okay. We need to call the police. Oh, God, she's in our house.
Oh my god, calm down. I'm tired of hearing you guys yelling through the walls. I'm gonna, like, call the police on you guys.
Okay, she's got the news. She knows we're infamous criminals. But you know what we can do? Okay, Luigi, you explain.
Well,
No, shut up. I'm explaining. We see, we're good plumbers. We're totally legitimate plumbers who don't owe $5,000 in mafia. Yeah.
This sure does sound right, then.
We are very good
We are
plumbers.
totally legitimate plumbers. And we'll prove it. We'll prove it. Good. Doing it.
Then
doing
prove it, because I don't believe that.
Yeah, we're so good. We'll do it right now. Look over here. The sink was totally here the whole time. So, Luigi, you do it. Take the wrench. Shove it out the pipes.
I just realized.
I didn't take my meds. My throat's
Are you sure he knows what he's doing?
Yes.
Taking a long time to watch.
Okay, wait. We got it. I got it. My throat's clearing up. And one,
Okay.
two,
Okay.
and
I'll do it. And,
three. No, I've got it.
Okay.
I want it.
No,
I've got it, Luigi. Look, I've got it. And one, two, and three.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
Mario, what the fuck?
It's all your fault, Luigi.
That is literally disgusting. Why
No,
would
this
you
is
do
your
that? Oh my
God.
god.
I knew I shouldn't have picked.
Yo, it's the Mario Brothers, and plumbing's the game. Found the secret warp zone while working on the drain. Lend the princess a hand in the mushroom land. Join the action with the plumbers, you'll be hooked on the brothers. Now, evil Koopa and his troopers are up to misbehaving. They kidnapped the princess, mushroom land needs saving. Abusing and confusing, everybody discovers they can't help but be hooked on the brothers.
Hero.
Yeah.
Literally.
Unit.
Overrated, Mario.
Almost log number 37.
Mario.
I've been trapped in this waste for 45 days. Rations are running low. I'm about to eat Luigi.
No, I'm good.
Toad is looking mighty tasty with that mushroom. We've been encountering the most confusing wildlife. The princess has been dying of hypothermia ever since day 4.
That's why she's in a. That's why she can't walk.
Oh, I'm sweating!
Oh god.
Oh my god, Toad, no! I will get you back, I promise it. You won't let me go.
We're not getting back.
We're gonna go to
You're dead. You're dead, princess. He's a liability. We gotta go. It's too cold here.
Come on, you have to save him now. What are you, useless? We have to go
I
immediately.
am useless. Okay, see? I'll do it. I'll do it. Fine. It'll get you to shut up. Come on home. Come on, Luigi. Let's go.
I forgot my jacket at home.
You forgot your jacket. Well, that makes it your problem. The Eddies are gonna eat you first. You're tender.
Yeah, I'm not. What? No. Fuck. Shit. You know, I'm coming with you guys.
Oh, okay, Luigi! It's time to go away!
That's a nice house.
Yeah, thanks!
Honestly.
I stole it from a bunch of African kids!
I hate your fucking baby, you son of a bitch.
Fuck you!
I will kill you.
Oh yeah! Just like milky sperm ass spit!
Get that shit come off me. God
No!
damn.
You fucking little horn dog! I'm gonna fire you so hard! That was
God,
a
I can hear
toad.
screams from here.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah, bitch!
Oh, no.
Oh, holy shit! And where the fuck's the phone? Where's the phone?
Step your ass, bitch.
Oh fuck.
Hello, this is the IRS. You haven't paid your taxes in 6 weeks.
Well, too bad I'm doing tax evasion, you fucking pigs!
Oh,
Or
damn.
you can call up the search of that kidnapped child. He's dead.
Oh, for God's sake.
Get the fuck back in there, you little bitch, before you wind up missing like this kid!
Hey, you know, I know you fucking kid.
Oh yes, you fucking are, little Billy!
You didn't shut the phone off. You know you're there.
Fuck! My penis!
You fucking slow ass bitch.
I'm gonna fucking...
You can and will send the police after you.
Come here, child! Come here, Captain, you sexy daddy!
So my IRS scam did not work. He's not giving Toad back.
Mario.
Oh,
it's
God.
Really.
Oh god, earthquakes! Why are there earthquakes?
Mario, I blame this on you. This all stalled.
No, this is all your fault, Luigi.
No, you're a bitch. I am crying now.
Stop crying! For God's sake, you're adopted. We get it. Shut up.
I'm not adopted. Mama Mario.
Yes, you are. Why do you think your mustache is different and you wear green and you're way more different from me? Watch.
Well, I'm taller
I
than
will
you.
do something
Okay.
quite amazing.
You can't do anything amazing. You broke the.
Yeah, I can
fucking
jump. See that? You can't do that.
Look.
I mean, you can in Super Mario Bros. 2, but
Woo, let's do this. I want to try this.
I'm not jumping.
Princess can float. But that's not fair.
Nice.
You're not making me.
Come on, Luigi, do it.
No.
Do what you want.
I'll do it.
We believe in
Okay,
you,
what?
Luigi.
Okay. Whoa.
Yes, yes,
Oh,
yes,
whoa,
yes.
fuck,
Oh,
fuck,
no,
fuck,
no,
Why did you
Nice.
save him? Oh, I mean, Luigi, thank God you're okay. Hey, you're fine. Let's go.
I don't like
Son
it.
of a
Let's go.
bitch.
But
Son of
why
a
does he
bitch,
act
he's
so
a plumbers.
beautiful?
We gotta go tell King Koopa. Otherwise, he's
For
gonna
God's
fucking
sake,
murder
why do we have
us.
to have these weird voices? Where am I now?
Yeah, we gotta go tell him, or he's gonna turn us into the birds behind the slaughter.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
What
all over
the
the
fuck
top.
do you mean the plumbers are in here?
God damn! The ear rape. Jesus fuck.
Now, six, you need to keep it down.
My headache is
Well, I want
getting
my
worse.
feet wet.
Oh, this hurts. Oh, it's painful.
Shut the fuck up! Now look, we need to kill Mario. Now because you failed, you deal with my horrible fate. Step the dog shit.
Delicious.
Alright, Albatross. Get ready to bomb the shit out of him like we did to Nagasaki and Hiroshima.
Roger, doctor. It's okay.
Drink your cum, little Billy.
I'm not drinking your cum.
Bitch. You're drinking my cum spit.
What the fuck this shit? It tastes horrible.
That's the point!
Sucks. I can't fly. I'm not a birdo. I'm worthless like a toad.
Oh, she's waddling! Oh yeah, come on, little Chinty. It's time to go for your flying lesson.
I'd rather die. I'd rather fucking die.
Oh,
Hey, yo,
it's not ready to be dropped.
I don't want to fly. I can't fly.
Too bad.
Oh, Mario.
I shouldn't be climbing a mountain with fucking heels. This is just stupid as
Oh, that
fuck.
fucking gecko.
We finally made it. Past floor 7.
Alright, well, we're still not, we still haven't made it, unfortunately.
We had to give
I really
my left leg away to those grizzly bears, but at least I've got this prosthetic.
I don't fucking care about your
Eat
prosthetic.
my bombs,
Oh
bitch.
god, terrorist. Well, at least everything's okay. What's up?
Oh my god, is that a bomb? We're gonna
Are you
die.
Oh god! I don't like these guys. This is all your fault, Luigi. You organized this strike against us. Slam!
Hey, that was a
Tell
good
my
hit.
wife I love him. Well, he had a life. That's very sad.
We're gonna fucking die. I don't wanna die.
Well, you know what, princess?
Fuck your wife, Mario. Fuck your
I
Yeah.
can be the new ruler.
wife.
Quick, hit him back.
I
Slam.
slap him like my.
Wow, they
was
so
almost on.
explosive. They never that explosive in the games.
Look, wait, hold on. Stop, there's more.
I know there's
Oh,
more.
shit.
There were like 6. Now there's 3.
I don't like this. Oh, fuck.
Oh no, that's somehow caused an avalanche despite it evaporating all the snow.
We're about to die.
We're all gonna
No,
die.
this is all your fault,
Oh,
We
Luigi.
gotta run.
Oh, fuck.
Go, go, go,
My
go,
legs
go,
are
go, go,
twirled.
go, go,
What
go,
happened to my legs? Oh, my legs.
I'm running at the fucking heels. This is how this is supposed to.
Hey kids, it's time for a sing-along. I call this one the short and tall song. I have some friends here, I give them a quick call to help you kids understand short and tall. Meg is 5'2". Everyone mistakes for an elf or dwarf. Short to go in big rides, yet she has a license to drive. What? Who gave you that? Cycle's next, goddamn. She could play Michael Jordan on Space Jam. Every time she gets mad, her height just goes by a tad. Oh, this might end bad. Hey, wait, come on, it's fine. The fans love you, and Joy's calling you a small bean or tall queen. What matters is the fact you guys are freakishly proportioned, but there's no shame in that. Alrighty then, I'm getting some serious testers. I better end the song and leave it there. Hope this song helped, and you guys had a ball with learning the 2 words short and tall.
I'm gonna die.
I'm going to die too. You're not special, princess.
I'm special.
You're not special either, Luigi. You're adopted.
Oh, mamma mia. I look
Good
like
fighting, Luigi. I knew your adopted skills would help.
Yes, I have an
Now, quick,
IQ.
keep this door closed.
It's so
With me.
cold. Oh, well.
This is just like Mom and Dad.
Maybe borrow a jacket.
Now get up. We have
Okay,
someone saying.
You're not gonna drop me off of here, please. You're not gonna drop me off of here.
Okay, kid, it's time to die.
I don't want to die. Please, I beg of you. I can't fly.
Oh, well, that's too bad, bitch.
Okay, fine.
Luigi,
Hey guys,
get out
look
of
over
the snow.
here.
I'm stuck.
Hey,
What the fuck?
Well,
is
what are you gonna do with it?
that? What the
Can't
fuck is
sit here
wrong with your
forever.
eyes?
Let's go. Let's go.
why are you trying to flex a non-existent muscle? You have
Shut
spaghetti
up.
arm.
Just come on. Let's go.
Mario, I'm
Okay,
stuck.
Luigi, out of there.
Fine, I'll get it myself.
Cool stuff.
Damn.
Whoa.
All right,
We're gonna flip Mario.
and get past the man. I'm going to kill you with my bare
No, you're
hands.
not. I.
Yeet!
Mario. I'm stronger
Yeet.
than you, Mario. I can pick up your fat ass.
Boom! I'm Santa Claus.
No, you are a bitch.
All right,
That's
look.
what you are.
Oh, ho, ho! I'm gonna burn this stuff to the ground and cause mass global warming. Come on, let's go.
Mario, that's not.
Alright, because you fuckers killed Mario, you're awarded
Sorry,
with
sir,
the Golden
I,
X Awards. King Koopa,
Yo,
they're not
sir.
dead. They're still very much alive.
Yes, I saw them.
Give me those fucking medals back, you damn birds!
No, we're wearing AirPods.
But we are.
If I have to do everything myself!
Oh my God, we are starving to death. I'm gonna eat Luigi, and then I'm gonna eat the
I'm gonna
princess. and then I'm
freeze out here.
Oh,
not- Hey,
I
what's that thing over there?
Oh.
I paid 300.
Oh, hey, what's this over here? What the fuck is this? Ugly looking ass
dead.
dinosaur motherfucker.
Dead princess, that's what
What
it
is it in the
is.
Oh
snow?
my god.
We have to do something with it. We can eat it for
Hey,
dinner.
I'll do something. I'll burn it alive. Make some food. It didn't burn.
It's alive.
I want to go my hentai.
Speaking Italian.
Oh,
Oh,
my
Canada, Billy! It's time to fly!
god. No, I can't
Not
fucking
here.
fly.
Toadman, you're gonna fly, you little shit!
Oh fuck. I can't fly. Oh shit.
Here lies
Okay, you know what? I still
Gonna
can't tell
die.
what I'm gonna do. I have a great idea. I'll take off my fucking brain cap.
Toad with no hat. Toad with
Toad
no
with no
hat.
hat! Toad with no hat!
Well, it's a good
Toad
thing
with
my
no-
firepower has turned this into this.
Right on the
I'm
fire.
really warm now, Mario.
Oh god, they
Oh my god, our fire is gone. Is that Toad? Hi, Toad.
Oh god, he's back.
Hello, little dinosaur thing. Welcome back.
You
I'm
wanna
on
cook it. And then you showed up. And I'm not even sure if you're the same species as
Toad,
me. so it ain't
Toad, don't
cannibal.
take our dinosaur food. We were gonna eat this for dinner.
No, I'm tired of it. You gotta kill her.
You
I'm up to his mom,
killing me!
Jesus Christ,
God
man.
damn.
Holy shit.
Goddamn. JR over here making that.
Wait a minute, look over there. I can do something.
Oh my god, we have to return our food back, but I don't want to do that.
Oh my god, Koopa snowmobile. Why are they so fast? We're back.
What are you about to us?
Holy crap.
Dumb fuck now,
Hey, I have an
Mario.
idea.
This is all your fault, Luigi. Go up me.
Fuck!
Ah, I went the wrong way.
Drop us! Get that motherfucker! Now!
You can't get me. You can't get me, Koopa. I got fire. Got full firepower. You had no
Albatross!
hair.
Get the fire away from him!
Fire ready.
Mario,
Oh
I
god.
just want to have a nice brother relationship.
Oh no, Christmas is over.
Aw, looks like you're not Santa Claus anymore, you little shit. But don't
Shut
worry,
up.
you can always come back from
I'm a
this.
masochist.
Or we're gonna die.
I just want to
You're
have a
still
nice
fucking-
relationship.
And now, you fungus queen, you're about to. Oh, fuck! What the fuck? Who's throwing vegetables? Oh, fuck.
Guess we brought the fucking cavalry.
Oh god.
Oh, shit. Retreat! Retreat!
I'm wearing arms!
Oh, man, that
Oh, my
kid's
God.
little Billy. Now you don't have to fuck this mushroom kid.
Wait, what? That explains so much about your species.
It's time to go murder the turtles.
Okay, I'm gonna... Why would you throw in these vegetables? What is vegetables gonna do against an army? Oh,
Yes!
Why are my arms so good?
Motherfuckers! I'll be back!
But your Koopa snowmobile won't.
But you keep the snowmobile.
Oh, I got it at IKEA.
Sorry, I was wearing AirPods. I didn't hear any of that.
Good.
Let's go home.
Okay, so welcome to my Ku Klux Clubhouse. Today we're gonna serve some
Let's never
spaghetti.
say that. Oh, finally, some Italian cuisine.
I'm not an Italian meal, you little shit.
Oh fuck.
Oh my god, what the fuck is that?
Damn it, and I wanted to be Vort today.
Stop.
That almost
Oh
fit.
my god, what the fuck? Ew, my
Well,
hair's all wet, this
Maybe
is
we could,
gross.
like, get her a
Wow, that was a weird story, Luigi. No, don't do anything like that. Wait. No.
Sorry. I am so sorry. Let me take.
Hey,
her
get
to-
your fake ass fucking plumber
That
hands
cake
off
was
of
meant to
me.
be a surprise for
I forgot to
Luigi's
wash
25th
my
birthday.
hands. I forgot to wash my hands.
Oh my god, you're gonna kill me by this fucking
vibrator
smoke.
furnace.
I
Oh
knew
my
I should have
God.
quit smoking.
Mario, why is the furnace vaping?
Now I'm
I
covered
don't know,
in
Luigi, but now
fucking
she's all
dust.
dirty. Okay, alright,
That
come on.
was steam, Mario.
Secondhand smoke is a very bad
When you
danger.
said-
Come on. Oh, you stepped in the cake, you idiot!
Oh my fucking god,
ruined my
cake on the goddamn, but you guys ruined
Luigi,
my
this is all
easy.
your fault, and I mean it this time.
You fucking ruined my cake!
Yeah, it's a.
Why is there a toilet there?
Wait,
Wait, no.
You ruined my other cake!
What did I just spin it? Oh my
Giant
god.
ass sat on
Shit
the
yourself.
second cake. That's
God, this is
No,
the
wait, that's
worst
a
day
pizza.
ever. I'm gonna sue you guys. What the
Oh,
fuck
God.
is this?
Every inconvenient
forgot.
thing at the same time.
This is
totally
great. This
forgot
is
that
I'm
lovely.
sorry, our trash compactor's been acting
Mario.
up and it's been decompacting.
Mario, why the fuck do we live in the sewer?
Look at my face. Okay, Luigi, I've got the solution. We kill her, we take her money,
With that?
and then next thing we know, we look at this Zelda advertisement.
Wow.
But we don't, because
No,
that was a
no.
great Zelda advertisement, hey Luigi?
Maybe if we can.
I
No.
love Breath of the Wild.
No. No.
Oh, wait a
Just no.
minute. Why?
Are you eating that fucking cake
Yes, I love
after
foot
I
cake.
stepped in it? What are you? Like fucking crazy? This is disgusting.
You look fucking crazy. You look like a
I
hobo.
want you to step on me. Oh, excuse me.
Says the fake plumbers. You can't even get
Alright,
a
you know what,
job.
Luigi? I've had enough of
ugly
this
ass.
home wreck.
I don't
Enough
want
of
to
this
say that I have a
person.
macrophilia fetish.
You know what I think,
Mario.
Luigi? I think we better give her a just dessert.
Oh, yeah, okay, yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
Stop ruining my fucking cakes, guys!
There we go. This is hot.
What the
This is
fuck?
fucking hot.
this
Suffocate.
is illegal. I'm gonna call the cops. You're harassing me.
I am very hard, Mario. Oh, mama.
Luigi, this is very... I don't even know how to explain. But
Yeah, we're
hey,
dancing,
she's a
man.
friend. Do the Mario.
Oh yeah, do the Mario.
Do the Mario, swing your arms from side to side. Come on, it's time to go. Do the Mario, take one step, and then again. Let's do the Mario all together now. You got it.
It's the Mario!
Mario, swing your arms from side to side. Come on, it's time to go. Do the Mario, take one step, and then again.
Let's
Do the
all
Mario.
do the Mario all together now.
Do the
You
Mario.
got it just like
Like
that.
that.
Wait, apparently we missed
Fuck.
that. Ugh.
Dick!